Hello friends, good morning. Today we are just discussing the order of matrix and the element of the matrix, because I found that you are having a problem in solving these kind of examples. So in previous lecture we see that matrix is denoted by a capital letter and its element are always denoted by a small letter. In square bracket we write the element of the matrix, and here we write the order of matrix, and order always we write in m by n form. So this m is nothing but number of rows in matrix, okay, number of rows, and this n is nothing but number of column in that matrix. So order of matrix is a very simple thing. You just need to count that how many number of rows are there and how many number of columns are there, and just write it in this form. Number of rows, write a multiplication sign between them, and number of column. So example is, suppose I have a matrix A. I'm just writing an example here. Okay, I have a matrix. Suppose it is like that. Okay, and if I want to find order of this matrix, then what will I do? I'll just count number of rows first. How many rows are there? 1, 2, right? 1, 2. So 2 rows, multiplication sign, and how many number of column? 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3. 3 columns are there. So 2 by 3 is the order of matrix. Okay, suppose I have a matrix B. Okay, so now what will be the order of this matrix? Just count first number of rows. 1, 2, 3. 3 rows, multiplication sign, and count column. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns are there. Okay, so this 4 by 3 is the order of matrix. Suppose I have another matrix being okay. Okay, now just count first number of rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. Number of column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 by 5 will be order of matrix. Okay, suppose I have a matrix 10. Okay, now how many number of rows are there? 1, and number of column 1. So order of this matrix is 1 by 1. Okay, similarly, suppose I have a matrix okay, this matrix. So how many number of rows are there? 1. One row is there, and columns are 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 by 4. And this kind of matrix is called, where we have only one row, is called as row matrix or vector. Okay, similarly, suppose I have a matrix like this. Then in this, number of rows are 1, 2, 3. 3 rows, and number of column is 1. So this we have seen that this is called column matrix. So that's how we find the order of matrix. Just observe the example, just see the definition again, that how we write it and how we find this order of the matrix. Okay, now how we write the element of the matrix. Okay, so suppose I have a matrix. So matrix is always written as, so A is a matrix. I am taking a simple example here. A is a matrix. Let's just have it. Let it be a 3 by 3 matrix. So A11, this will be the first element of matrix. A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay. Okay. So what I do, always remember that name of the matrix is denoted by capital letter and the element of the matrix is denoted by a small letter. And this number that we have written as a suffix is nothing but the position of that element in row and column. So this 1 1 represent its position in row and position in column. So this first element, so in general, if I want to tell you that general elements are Aij, then this I, this first suffix represent position in row, in which row it is, okay, and this represent position of column, position in column number. Okay, so here in this example, this A11 means this is first row, first column. So it's telling me, A11 telling me that this element A is in first row, first column. Okay, this A12 means A12 is in first row, second column, first row, third column. Now here started second row, this is second row. So second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. Okay, this is now third row. So third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column. So row number, first we write row number, then column number, and that is called the position of the matrix. So for example, suppose I have a matrix here, A equal to 2 3 0 1 0 1. Okay, and I ask you, what is A11, A22, A31. Okay, this is my question to you. So A11 means the element in first row, first column. So first row is this and first column is this. So this is the element, right? First row, first column, which is 2. So my A11 equal to 2 here. A22, second row, second column. So this is my second row and this is my second column. So this is that element is. Okay. So A22 is 0 here. A31, third row, first column. But in this matrix, third row does not exist. So this element will not exist. So A31 does not exist in given matrix. Okay, I hope you understanding it. It's not very difficult, but just have a clear understanding of it. Let's just have another example where B equal to, okay, 2 3 1 4 2 1 0 1 2 0 0 minus 1. Okay. Okay, what is the order of this matrix? Number of rows are 1 2 3 and number of column 1 2 3 4. So 3 by 4 will be the order of matrix. And now write all the elements in this matrix. So I want you to find A 3 4, A 2 3, A 2 1, A 1 2, and A 2 4 A 4 2. Okay, so just find this element. What is the value of this element in this matrix B? So let's just indicate this with a small b, so that will be more related, right? It doesn't matter actually, but I'm just changing it. So what is A3 for? The element in third row, fourth column. First row, second row, third row, and fourth column. First, second, third, fourth. So this column, this row, this column means -1, right? Third row, fourth column. So -1. A 2 3 means the element in second row, third column. So this is my second row, and first, second, third, this is my third column. So 0. Okay. Now B21 means the element in second row, first column. So this is my second row and this is the first column. So second row, first column means this element. This is a here I'm writing. B12 first row, second column. So this is first row and this is the second column. So first row, second column 3. Okay. Now B24 second row, fourth column. So this is my second row 1 2 3 and this is the fourth column. So this will, right? Second row, fourth column 1. B42 fourth row, second column. But fourth row does not exist in B, right? We only have third row, 3 rows are there. So we will write does not exist for given matrix or B. So that's how we find position. So that's how we name the element, and that's how we find order of matrix. So I hope you understand it and enjoy the lecture well. Till then, have a nice day. Bye.